Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I hope you join our family and I hope you stick around. Today I just wanted to show you guys an easy way and a quick way and an affordable way how to make like a scroll invitation like for a party or a baby shower or brunch or something like that. So if you want to see what to do, stick around. So the supplies you're going to need to make this invitation will be pretty ribbon of your choice, some beads like hair beads, glue gun, glue sticks, your invitation paper, and am I missing anything? Shish kebab sticks. So what you're going to do is you're going to take 2 sticks per invitation and you're going to need 4 beads. So you're going to take 1 bead and glue it to the end of one stick and another bead and glue it to the end of the other stick, pretty much. Then after you do that, you're going to do the other stick and so on and so forth. So what you're going to do is you're going to take some glue it to the top of your paper, like at the very top, and you're going to lay the stick on top of the glue. And after you lay the stick on top of the glue, what you're going to do is you're going to continue to like keep rolling the stick down, if that makes sense, like nice and neat and nice and tight. So you're going to roll, like keep rolling down, keep gluing and rolling down to the to where you desire your stick to be. Pretty much you need it to roll a couple of times. I'm just trying to show you guys a different angle here, but hopefully you can see what I'm trying to do. I hope this was a better angle for you guys. So as you can see, I'm just like putting the hot glue and I'm gonna just keep rolling to my desire, like if that makes sense. I just kept rolling until like there was no more white, like to the very top of the invitation. As you can see, like the paper has like the invitation in the middle, but I'm gonna keep rolling all the way down like to that line, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna stop talking and let you guys see what I'm doing. I finished the top part, now I'm doing the bottom part. I'm trying not to show you guys like the information on the invitation, if that makes sense. But this is pretty much how it looks when it's done. So once it's done, what you're going to do is like roll it up really tightly together and you're going to tie a bow on it. I'm going to show you guys that. So you're going to put your pretty ribbon on and make your bow, and then you're going to have your final product. Guys, I hope you like this one. If you want some more ideas, like some more DIY craft ideas, please head over to the Instagram page, D.I.Y Experience, and it stands for Hands-On Workshop. Also, they have a YouTube page as well. I'll link everything below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I know it was short. If you have any questions or comments, leave it down below. And would you make this? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. If no one told you today, you are worthy, you are enough, and you are loved. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to love more and judge less. Bye guys.